Dear friends, welcome to Civil Conclave Group presentation. Today, we are going to discuss about how to do the concreting design mix M30 and also the important questions based on IS 456, which is frequently asked in an interview. What are the questions, important question in IS 456? Let me go through it. First question is what is the maximum quantity of the cement we can use per cubic meter of a concrete? The answer should be, as per class number 8242, the maximum quantity of cement we can use per cubic meter is 450 kg. Cement content not including fly ash and GGBS in excess of 450 kg per cubic meter should not be used unless special consideration is given in the design of the increased risk of cracking due to drying shrinkage in thin section or to early thermal cracking and to the increased risk of damage due to alkali silica reactions. Question number 2. What is the maximum quantity of cement required for M25 grade concrete in a moderate condition? Refer table number 5. The minimum quantity of the cement required is 300 kgs per cubic meter for M25 grade of a concreting. Which grade of concreting termed as a normal mixed design? Refer class number 3. Normal mixed designs may be used for a concreting up to the grade of M20. What is the maximum percentage dosage of retarder we can use? Refer class number 10.3.3. The retarded dosages usage should be 0.5% by weight of the cementatious material. What is the allowable tolerance for a concreting cover? Refer class number 12.3.2. The actual concreting cover should not deviate from the required nominal cover by plus 10 mm and minus 0 mm. What is the curing period required when we use blended cement in construction? Refer class number 13.5.1. The minimum curing period required when we use mineral admixtures should be 10 days. What is the slump value for a pump concreting? Refer class number 7.1. The slump value for the pump concreting will be 75 to 100. What is the maximum percentage of plasticizers we can use? Refer class number 10.3.3. The maximum percentage of dosages we can use should be 1% of the cementatious material. Now let us talk about a concreting mixed design M30. For required data for creating a mixed design should be maximum size of the aggregate 20 mm, workability, that slump should be 125 to 150 mm, degree of the quality control should be good. Type of exposure as per Morth table 1700.2 severe. Minimum target strength as per Morth table will be 1708 42 MPa, that is 30 plus 12. Maximum water ratio will be 0.4. Minimum cement content will be 360 kg. Maximum cement content as per Morth will be 450 kg. Say required data for the concreting mixed design. Let us first go about a specific gravity detail. Cement, specific gravity will be 3.15. Coarse aggregate specific gravity will be 2.885. Coarse aggregate 2.857. Fine aggregate 2.723. Let's go about a water absorption data. Coarse aggregate should be 0.42%. Coarse aggregate 12 mm will be 0.47%. Fine aggregates will be 1.38%. How to do a calculation of the target mean strength? Okay, you have to verify Morse table 1708 fifth revision. You know, for M30, you have to add 12 MPa. That means 30 plus 12 will be 42 MPa. Selection of the water cement ratio. Water cement ratio as 0.39. Water for M30 grade. Water content per table of IS 10262 is 20 mm. Maximum size of the aggregate is 186 liter. The above estimated water suggested a slump range of 25 to 50 mm. For each 25 mm increase in slump, 3% of water can be increased. Refer class number 4.2. If the required slump is 150 mm, for 50 mm slump, we require 186 liter. For 75 mm, 186 point into 3, that is a 5.5 liter, will make you 191.58 liter. For 100 mm slumps, 186 into 6%, 11.16 liter. That makes you 197.16 liter. For 125 mm slump, 186 into 9, 16.74 liter. That makes you 202.74 liter. For 150 mm slump, 186 into 12, that means 22.32 liter. That makes you 208.32 liter. Hence, water required is 208.3 liter. Super plasticizer used in the mix. The water cement ratio can be reduced up to 35% as per IS 10262. Based on trials with the super cement plasticizer, water cement reduction of 21.51% has been achieved with the same dose, that is 140. Cement content. Water cement ratio, when you consider the 0.39, cement content will be 140 divided by 0.39, that makes 358 kgs. Let us say 360 kg. Hence, cement content is 360 kg. Proportion of the volume of fine aggregate will be coarse aggregate 20 mm will be 60%. Sand can be adopted maximum 40%. Coarse aggregate proportion 10 mm, 20 mm will be 50% each. M30 concreting grade formulas. Formula: volume of material content is equal to material weight divided by material specific gravity into total volume. Volume of concreting is 1 cubic meter. That means 1000 liters. Cement content will be 360 divided by 3.15 into 1000. That is 0.114 cubic meter. Water content 140 divided by 1 into 1000. That is a 0.14 cubic meter. Admixture 1.8 divided by 1.17 into 1000. That means 0.0015 cubic meter. Aggregate 1 minus cement volume plus water volume plus admixture volume all added together. That means 1 minus 0.114 plus 0.140, 0.0015 all put together will come to 0.745 cubic meter. Now we obtained the volume of each material for concreting. Now let us convert the same into the weight. Okay. Formula: material weight is equal to material volume into percentage of total volume into material specific gravity into total volume. Mass of the coarse aggregate will be 0.745, that is the material volume, multiplied by percentage of the total volume will be 0.6. Material specific gravity is 2.85 into total volume 1000 will make you 644 8 kg. Say let us say 645. Mass of coarse aggregate, the same formula by the same calculation, you will get a 639 kg. Fine aggregates with the same formulas and the same methodology, you will get a 812 kgs. Mixed proportion will be cement will be 360 kg, water will be 140 kg, 20 mm will be 645 kg, 12.5 mm will be 639 kgs, sand is 812 kgs. Dosage of admixture by the weight of the cement, that is the 0.5% of cement weight, will make you 1.8 kg. In moisture correction, weights of aggregate and water can be replaced by the weight of free moisture of the aggregate. Concreting mix design for a M30 will be 1 is to 2.5 into 3.5 if you converted into the ratio. The image will show you what is the percentage of the various materials in the concreting design mix. Trial mix. Let us do a trial mix for a concreting mix design M30. Okay. In this design, we design the following: water cement ratio, proportion of the cement, aggregates, admixture, etc., workability, density, and compressive strength. Concreting required for a trial mix. Actually, we need a minimum 12 cubes. Volume of 1 cubic mole, 1 cube mold will be 0.003375 cubic meter. So concreting quantity of 1 cube will be 0.003375 cubic meter. For 12 cubes, it will make you 0.0405 cubic meter. We should take more quantity because on the trial mix, you may drop some other material. So let us assume the quantity will be 0.45 cubic meter. Accordingly, we make the trial mix. Okay, cement 360 kgs, water 140 kg, 20 mm 645 kgs, 12.5 mm 639 kg, cement 812, admixture 1.8 kg. Now we calculate the materials for a trial mix. Cement 360 into 0.05 will make you 16.2 kg. Water 140 into 0.045, 6.3 kgs. 20 mm 645 into 0.045, 29.3 kg. 12.5 mm 639 into 0.045 will make you 28.76 kg. Sand 812 into 0.045, 36.54 kg. Admixture 1.8 into 0.045, that makes 0.081 kg. Trial mix procedure. Okay, we taken all the materials as per the material calculation. Mix these materials in the drum for a 30 seconds. Then add 80 to 90% of water in drum. Okay, add a bit water more for a trial mix. Mix the remaining water with the admixture and rotate the drum for 2 minutes. Check if any dry mix concreting has been stuck to the drum. If it is so, remove it with a manually. Okay, then unload it. Mix it for a continuous 5 minutes. Check the workability. This is called the initial slump. Don't mix the concreting continuously. Otherwise, the mix will produce more heat and it causes a decrease in the slump of a concreting mix. Start the mixer at the 5-minute interval, about 1 minute. Requirement of the workability. As we already explained, slump should be 125 to 150 mm at site. We have to check the slump for every 30 minutes up to 120 minutes. Trial mix casting procedure. Take the cubes, fill them in a 3 layers. Every layer has to be tamped for a minimum 25 times using the tamping rod. After 24 hours, demold the concreting cubes and put it in the water tank immediately. The water temperature should be plus or minus 27 plus 2 degree temperature. Compressive strength of the cubes. 3 cubes for 7 days, 3 for 7 days, 6 for 28 days. Okay, after the period has been over, take out the uh, cubes from the concreting. Before the test, the cubes set the reading loading of compression testing machine 5 kilonewton per second. Place the cubes carefully and apply the load. Once the crack has been getting cracked, note down the reading. Trial mix result. This is the format what we have to go about it. Workability. After 30 minutes, what is the collapse? After 6 minutes, like this, you have to go on. Then compressive strength, casting date, cube ID, age of the cube, testing date, weight per comb, load, what is the load applied, strength per mm square, average strength. Like this, you have to prepare a table and keep it ready for your work. See, from the above result, you know that average 28 strength is 41.48 Newton per m square, which is less than 42 MPa. Our requirement is 42 MPa. So now we have to reduce the cement water cement ratio a bit. Trial mix 2. So same methodology of the calculations and everything. M30 concreting, water cement ratio is 0.38. Let us assume it 0.38. Hence cement content 140 divided by 0.38, that will be 368. Fine and coarse aggregate will be 60 mm and 40%. So coarse aggregate percentage will be 50%. Calculation of the volume, material volume, volume of concreting is 1 cubic meter. Volume of material, cement 368 divided by 3.15 into 1000. That is 0.117 cubic meter. Water content will be 140 divided by 1 into 1000. That will be 140.14 cubic meter. Admixture 1.8 divided by 1.17 into 1000, 0.0015 cubic meter. Aggregate is 1. That means cement volume plus water volume plus admixture volume all put together. That means 1 minus 0.117 plus 0.140, 0.0015. That makes it 742 cubic meter. Now we know the volume of every material. Mass of the coarse aggregate 0.742 into 0.6 into 0.5 into 2.885 into 1000. Say let us say 642 kgs. Like this, we have to calculate all the aggregate sizes. Mixed proportion. Cement 368 kg, water 148 kg, 20 mm 642 kg, 12.5 mm 633 kg, sand 808 kg. Dosages of admixture by cement weight will be 45%, that is 1.8 kg. Let us start the trial mix once again. Cement 368 into 0.045, 16.56 kg. Water 140 into 0.045, 6.3 kg. 20 mm 642 into 0.045, 28.89 kg. 12.5 mm 636 into 0.045, 28.62 kg. Sand 800 into 0.045, 36.36 kg. Admixture 1.8 into 0.045 will be 0.081 kg. Revised compressive strength of the cubes will be minimum compressive strength 3 days will be 40%, that is 17 MPa. Max minimum compressive strength is 7 days is 80%, that should be 34 MPa. Again, let us talk about a workability, that is the slump ratio. After 30 minutes, it should be 180 mm. After 122 minutes, it will be 135 mm. Compressive strength. Like this, you have to prepare a data, number, casting date, cube ID, age of cube, testing date, weight, load, strength, and average strength. Now, from the result, you can know the compressive strength is 42.4 Newton m square. Okay, what we require as per mode will be 42 MPa. So now we got the perfect concreting design mix for a M30 concreting. See how it is works out. The cement will be 420 kgs, fine aggregate 685 kg, coarse aggregate 1170 kg, water 190 liter. Now the FAQ about the concreting. What is the design mix for M30? Grade designation is M30. Type of cement will be OPC 1, OPC 53. Maximum size of the aggregate 20 mm. Minimum cement content will be 320 kg per m cube. That is refer IS 456. Maximum water cement ratio will be 0.45. Refer table 5 of IS 456. Workability 100 to 120 mm slump. Exposure condition moderate. Method of pumping, concreting is pumping. Degree of supervision is good. Type of aggregates, crush and angular aggregates. Maximum cement content 360 kg per m cube. Chemical admixture type, super plasticizer. What is the M30 grade ratio? It should be 1 part of a cement, 1.5% of 1.5 times of the sand, 3 parts of the aggregate. Is code for M30 mix design? Yes. You can refer IS 10262. What is the strongest concreting mix ratio? The strongest concreting mix ratio will be M30 for a wall and everything. IS 456 mix design. This is differentiated from M10 to M40. M refers the mix and the 10 and 20 and everything, that will be neutron per mm square after a certain period. Which is the better cement, 43 or a 53? The fineness in the cement generate early gain in strength. But along with the heat of hydration, OPC 43 generally used for like structural work like a plastering and flooring. Whereas 53 grade cement used for higher strength bridges, railways, RCC work. How many bags do I need for M30 concreting? Cement, sand and everything. Grade M30. Nominal mix portion 1:1.5:3. How do you calculate the mix divide? Divide 1 by the total number of a part, that is the water per solution. For example, if your mix ratio is 8:1, 8 parts of water, take 1 part of solution. Okay. Is code for a mix design? Yes. IS 10262, ACI 211.1. Where do we use M concreting? M30 concreting generally used in foundations, bridges, slabs, and everything. What is the M30 mix design? This has been designed in IS 10262. The deviation, standard deviation will be 5 neutron per mm square. Therefore, the target strength should be 30 plus 1.65 into 5. That is 38.25 neutron mm square. What is the compressive strength of the M30? 30 neutron per mm square. What is M in M30 concreting? That is, M means the mix. What is the M design 30 mix in the volume? 1 part of a cement, 1.5 parts of a sand, and 3 parts of aggregate. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like, and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at the rate of civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, for which the link has been provided below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. By hitting the bell icon, as soon as my presentation, new presentation comes down, you will get a notification. Thank you for watching this presentation.